A quick update about the end of financial year. If you're in Australia, that's just about to happen. But also, there's some general important things that stick around to get some insights into what's going on and what's coming. First up for end of financial year, best to go into reports, into business reports under stock and run a stock value report. This gives you your stock value. Do that at the end of the day on the last day of the financial year. Download it here, and then you can keep that for your accountant, and you've got your stock value. The other cool thing is that a mobile phone app release is imminent. It's got some really cool things, including being able to add products. You can do scan a VIN via a barcode. You can do CARFAX lookup for US customers. There's improvements around things like the notes and the way in which we handle notes, including mechanic notes, and a number of other improvements as well, which is super cool. The other thing that we're working on, we've got some beta test sites on Podium integration. That's super exciting. We'll have more stuff about that, but that's ongoing right now. We're about to also release a booking API, which will be great for implementing bookings in your website. So more stuff coming on about that as well. We've also got a couple of other really exciting improvements that one of them could be just a massive way in which you operate your business, which we're super, super excited about. Plus, we've been working feverishly hard on the user interface update, and that's getting to the point where we'll get some beta testers on that pretty soon as well, and it's looking really good. We've gotten your feedback. We've acted upon a whole heap of really cool stuff, and there's some things that we'll let you know about in the not too distant future. I want to say a massive thanks to your business for this year. Happy New Year. And for end of financial year, if you haven't already done so, make sure you purchase things like SMSs, vehicle lookups, maybe upgrade to yearly, get your expenses in for this financial year. Not financial advice, maybe upgrade to yearly as well. If you're not on yearly, not financial advice, check with your accountant. But yeah, get those tax deductions in for the financial year. Hope you've had a great year. I'm really pumped about what's going to happen in the next 6 months and ongoing. There's some really exciting things and really great future coming ahead. And I really appreciate your business and being part of the Workshop Software family. Thanks.